Teach you to install in 1 minute. Toilet internal structure. This is the drain valve. Simple structure and removable. This is the installation step of the water inlet valve. Align the inlet valve with the position bayonet during installation. Add screw knob to fix the bottom. Then the drain valve base. Load fixed position. Tighten the screws. Then connect the drain valve to the bayonet. Rotary fixation. The toilet button rebounds normally. The installation is complete.